guys, so today we're making chicken. So first, we have 3 pieces of chicken in this bowl, and all we have to do is just marinate it. You have to use olive oil, salt. You can pick whichever salt you want. I chose pink salt, and you need some pepper. Okay, so let's put in some olive oil. Next, you put in some salt. I need more. Next, you need some pepper. Oh my. Okay, so now you have to mix it all up. Wait, can I have gloves? Can you get me gloves? Okay guys, so next you have to mix the chicken. And you can see that I got like a baking pan and some tent foil, because you'll need that after you mix the chicken. And I prefer having tent foil so the pan doesn't get really dirty. Okay, well now you just have to mix the chicken. I had to stop the video because I had to get gloves. Okay, so now you have to put it on the baking pan. Now you have to put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 40 minutes. It's heavy. Okay, so now, like I said, you put it in the oven at 425 degrees for 40 minutes. And be careful, and you'll probably need an adult to help with this. And you have to make sure, Dad, can you help? Okay. So now since you put it in the oven,
Timer.
you just wait for 40 minutes.
Okay, it's okay, we'll do the timer.
Okay guys, so now we're gonna make the special sauce for the chicken. So our ingredients are vinegar, vegetable juice, salt, pepper, garlic, and cilantro. So first we're gonna just pour some veggie juice right into our bowl of cilantro, like half of the bottle. Next, we add some salt. And anyway, my dad learned how to make the sauce in Asia. Now, pepper. Okay. Now you have to add some vinegar, just a teensy bit. So you'll pour a teensy bit onto a spoon, and you just need 1 spoon. You'll just pour a teensy bit, and then you'll just pour it into the sauce. Next you'll need like this thing. Dad, what is it called?
Garlic squeezer.
Okay. You squeeze the garlic. Can you help?
Sure.
Ah! What the heck? Oopsies. Next, you have to mix it with your spoon. It's basically like marinara. Okay, guys, so let's try it. Whoa. Wait, let me try dipping it into the sauce. Whoa. Now that's really good. It's super good, guys. Bye. Hope this helped you. Hope this turned out good, and I hope this helped you cook a bit. Okay, guys. This turned out super good. You don't know how good it is. And with the special sauce, mwah.